Meaning of gratin.
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 Gratin. Gratin is a culinary term that refers to a dish that is typically made with a base of potatoes, pasta or vegetables that are covered in a creamy sauce and then topped with cheese, breadcrumbs or buttery crumbs. The dish is then baked until the top becomes golden brown and crispy. The resulting dish is rich, comforting and satisfying, with a balance of textures and flavors. It makes for a perfect side dish or a main course and is a staple in French cuisine. Overall, a gratin is a delicious and indulgent dish that is perfect for sharing with family and friends.